can see me? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Come to the edge of the mat. And breathe in. Raise your arms. Breathe out. Bend forward. Walk your hands forward. Breathe in as you come in. Hold in plank. And breathe out as you go back. Breathe in as you come up. Lean back. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, go down. Breathe in as you walk your hands forward. Hold the plank for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathe out as you come back. Breathe in as you lift. Lean back. Breathe in as you come up. Breathe out as you go down. Walk your hands forward as you breathe in. And breathe out as you go back. Breathe in as you come back up. Lean back. Come up. Breathe out as you go down. Breathe in as you walk forward. Breathe out as you go back. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come forward. Breathe out, go back. Breathe in, come up, lean back. Breathe out, go forward. Breathe in, walk forward. Hold the plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift your tailbone up. Take a step forward. Place your feet down on the floor. Push your tailbone back. And pull your tummy in as you breathe out. And hold, but breathe into your lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a step back. Come into plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come forward. Push your hip towards the floor, but keep your knees up. Raise your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And come back into downward facing dog again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come into plank. Take a step back. High plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push your hip forward. Push your chest forward. Shoulders away from your ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come up again into downward facing dog. Place your feet down and walk your hands back. As you breathe out, breathe in, come back up. Breathe out, go down. And again, walk your hands forward. Come into plank. Put your knees down. Drop your elbows. Stretch your legs into low plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the floor. Raise your shoulders. Stretch your legs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down, elbows down. Stretch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knees down, shoulders up. Straighten your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knees down, elbows down. Stretch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knees down, shoulders up. Stretch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knees down, elbows down. Stretch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knees down, shoulders up. Stretch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to a low plank. Elbows and knees down. Stretch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knees down. Shoulders up. Stretch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your tailbone. Come into downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank. Breathe in. Push your heels back as you breathe out and lift your tailbone up. Breathe in, come into plank. Breathe out, push your tailbone up, push your heels into the floor. Breathe in, come into plank. Breathe out, go to downward facing dog. Breathe in, come into plank. Breathe out, push your hip forward and raise your shoulders, pushing your chest forward. Breathe in, lift your tailbone. Breathe out, drop your heels. Breathe in, come into plank. Breathe out, downward facing dog. Breathe in, come into plank. Breathe out, downward facing dog. Breathe in, plank. Breathe out, downward facing dog. Last time. Breathe in, plank. Breathe out, downward facing dog. Walk your hands back. Breathe in as you come up. And